very short office day today, so I get to let Freddie out sooner today. Happy? Happy bean? Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Yeah, big stretch. Whee. Gonna go to our favourite spot, are we? Yeah. Hello, buddy. Oh, you're gonna flop. You're flopping. Oh, yes. Hello. Yee. Oh, that's a bird. Yeah, treat your bird. Yeah, hope everyone's having a great day. Just like Freddie. Just one. Hiding in the undergrowth. I need to sort out my rose bushes. Got a bit of I don't know, some sort of black spotty stuff, which I'm sure is some sort of rose bush disease. I'll figure it out. Give it a bit of treatment. But look at the man, Freddie Bean. Yee! Stop eating the grass. Everyone's having a great Wednesday. Stop eating the grass. Stop eating the grass. Oh my God, he's just eating a whole bit of grass. He's probably going to throw up later. Wonderful. Ugh. Happy Bean. Say goodbye. Oh no, too busy. As I said, who needs a lawnmower? Happy Bean.